In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme on Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to refresh the look of your entire presentation in just a few clicks while keeping things clean and consistent. Start by launching Google Slides. You can open it in your browser or through the app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you can access the files you want. Once Slides is open, you'll see your recent presentations and any folders you've organized. Next, select your presentation. Click the file you want to update to open it. Give it a second to load, especially if it's a longer deck with images or charts. If you're working from a shared document, you'll still be able to change the theme as long as you have edit permissions. Once your presentation is open, click to enter editing mode. If you're viewing it in preview or present mode, switch back to edit so you can make changes. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the slide thumbnails on the left and the toolbar across the top. Now click the paintbrush icon. In Google Slides, this is the theme control, and it opens the theme sidebar on the right. If you don't see the icon, look for a button labeled Theme on the toolbar, or open the slide menu at the top and choose Change Theme. Any of these will bring up the same theme options. From here, choose from the pre-made themes. Scroll through the gallery in the sidebar and look for a style that matches your content and tone, something professional for business, playful for a classroom, or bold for a pitch. When you find one you like, click it once to apply it to your entire presentation instantly. Every slide will update to use the new background, color palette, and default text styles. If you change your mind, press undo or pick a different theme. You can switch as many times as you need. After applying, skim a few slides to confirm everything looks good. Check that your text remains readable against the new colors and that images or charts still stand out. If a slide looks off, you can adjust individual elements without changing the overall theme. That's it. Launch Google Slides, open your deck, enter edit mode, click the paintbrush icon to open the theme panel, and select a pre-made theme to update your entire presentation. Save your changes and you're ready to present with a polished, cohesive look.